Hey everybody, I just wanted to come on really quick and show you this awesome tool that I found. It's going to really help you with your pharmacology class as well as your medical assisting review class. And I found this. It's an open resource. Anybody can use it. And it goes over drug cards, which is so important for you to know for your national certification exam that you're going to be taking before you graduate. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how this works, and we're going to play around with it just a little bit. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into Moodle, and you're going to find this this tool. It's labeled as drug flashcards, and you're going to press the play button, and it's going to take you to some drug flashcards after it plays that little sound. So up here it's going to list some other names for the drug category, and the drug use, what it's used for. So this one lists Previnyl Zestril. It's an ACE inhibitor. It's for hypertension and heart failure. Now, if we go back to our pharmacology class at the very beginning, when we talked about the different types of drugs and what they do, what they're used for, drug classes and things like that, we learned that an ACE inhibitor is used for hypertension and heart failure. More importantly, ACE inhibitors end in what? I'll give you just a few seconds to think about it. Okay, ACE inhibitors end in pril, P-R-I-L. So we can look at our answer choices. We've got atorvastatin, which we know is a statin drug, which is used for high cholesterol. We've got lisinopril. Okay, see where I'm going? It's ending in pril, so we know that's an ACE inhibitor. Let's look at our other choices. Metformin, which we know is used for what? That is used to control blood glucose levels. And then we have levothyroxine, which you may know that, I hope you know, that this is used for thyroid replacement hormone therapy. So let's go back through our choices. Atorvastatin, no. Lisinopril, it's an ACE inhibitor, yes, possibly. Metformin, no, that's used for blood glucose level control. And levothyroxine is used for hormone replacement therapy. So we know our answer is lisinopril. All right, so we've scored 50 points on that. You can see down here, there's a little tracker here. You've answered 1 of 50 questions. Let's go to the next question. All right, so the next question is Synthroid, Levoxyl, Levothyroid thyroid hormone. And our choices are metformin, lisinopril, atorvastatin, and levothyroxine. So metformin we've already talked about. We know it's not that one. Lisinopril, we just answered a lisinopril question, so we know it's not that one. Atorvastatin, we talked about that one as well. That's a statin drug used for high cholesterol levels. Levothyroxine, as I talked about on the last question, is used for thyroid replacement hormone therapy. So we're going to go ahead and select levothyroxine, and we are correct. Awesome. So as you can see, this is just basically flashcards that you're going to go through, and you're going to drill yourself on these flashcards, and they're going to help you study for that national certification exam through the AAMA, and it's going to help you in your pharmacology class. So I hope you guys are going to utilize this tool and enjoy it. Have a great day, everybody.